Sabi ni Crystal Mejes dito, men are natural hunters. They are predators. Kung may gusto sila, they will get out of their way to get the girl. So if the person is not pursuing you, it just means one thing. He doesn't like you that much. Or, baka dahil sa sobrang pagpapabebe nyo, at naaliw kayo masyado doon sa kapangyarihan yung magpahabol ng mga lalaki, napagod na sila. Napagod silang maghabol sa isang taong, wala namang ibang ma-offer. Kundi, most of the women nowadays think they are the prize. For some reason, hindi ko maintindihan yon, because the fact that you are going into a relationship, ang tingin mo dapat is mag-partner kayo. Pantay. Pero for some reason, nowadays, women think that they are the prize and men should do everything. Everything. Kahit na mahirapan sila, lumuhod sila, umiyak sila ng dugo, para lang makuha sila. And isn't that too much? Tapos, ang ending, maghihiwalay din kasi hindi naman match yung pag-uugali, or hindi naman pala ganun kamature yung prize na hinabol-habol nila for so long. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.